How to use XP Doublers in Brawl Stars. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Shop in left side of your screen. You'll find XP Doublers here, or XP Doublers are automatically activated when you acquire them from Brawl Pass rewards, special offers, or in other game events. You don't need to manually turn them on. They'll automatically apply to your next matches if you click on play and focus on high XP modes. Play games mode that reward the most XP such as Brawl, Ball, Haste, or Hot Zone. Longer matches and victories yield more XP, maximizing the benefits of doublers. And that's how you use XP doublers in Brawl Stars. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.